Tow our Jeep.
Okay. Can you please tow our Jeep? He said he can tow our Jeep.
Okay. When's he gonna show up? Might want to call him back.
Okay. Can you please call us back? Okay.
What do you say?
No. I mean, yes.
Oh yes, he is coming.
Yeah, are you coming? Okay. He's coming.
Does he know how to get here?
Yes.
Better give him some directions.
Yeah, give him directions.
Okay. Is his house on the highway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Please. Is your house on the highway? Oh, his house is on the highway.
Well, that's his house, but how's he gonna find our Jeep?
He has to go on this road.
Well, does he know which road we're on?
Yes.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, which road are we on? It's our Jeep. This road? Okay. He knows what road we're on.
Okay. How long until he gets here?
I'll ask him.
Okay.
How long are you gonna get here? He doesn't know.
Oh. Oh
Hurry
no.
up.
Yeah, tell him you gotta get to your nap.
Okay.
Okay.
No. He needs to tow our Jeep.
Yeah, but you gotta tell him to hurry so you can go take your nap.
Okay.
Nicely though.
Hurry up. Okay, I'll hurry up.
Good?